The heck was that? I mean, my mom is working and my dad is in the other part of Jacksonville. Oh crap. There's a freaking mysterious... Oh crap! The guy with the shotgun. It might be a stranger. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Oh my god. I'm gonna call 911. Stop! I managed to lock the door. I'm still holding it.
911 services, what's your emergency?
There's a stranger with a shotgun. I need help.
Okay, what's your address?
I live near Jacksonville, near the city.
Okay, we'll be sure with you.
Oh crap!